Hi, Year Nines. This is a video about why computer science is really important. We are going to go through what computer science means, what you're going to be learning, etc. And it's me, Mr. De Las Heras, and Mr. Seabridge. What we are going to go through is why picking computer science as an option is important, or it can be important for you and for others, how computer science has changed the world around us, and what is good about computer science for you and for others. You've seen over the last 50, 60 years, the world changing around us. You can see there, for example, if we talked about mobile phones or phones in general, you can see from 1945 to nowadays, how phones have changed in shape, technology, and functionality. From a phone that we used to have just to ring and talk to someone, to a mobile phone that you can have in your pocket. We call it smartphone. That basically is like a computer, including access to the internet and to the world, obviously.
So since 2016, there's been a massive explosion of technology in the world. Things like drones and augmented or mixed reality and driverless cars. So who's good at computer science?
You might think that you are not good enough for computer science. And what if I tell you that anybody can learn and be good at computer science? People that change computer science and computers in general. Alan Turing, okay, is actually the father of the modern computer. Grace Hopper invented the first programming language that anybody could learn. IBM developed the internet. Aaron designed the fundamentals of search engine. The reason why you go to Google now and you type something and it will find it for you, it is because of her. And John is the father of artificial intelligence. Very important artificial intelligence. You think when you drive, you probably drive an intelligent car that you might not even drive yourself. The car might be self-driven. And many more. These people, ladies and gentlemen, these people change the world using computers, making programming languages and other technologies. And they probably didn't think that they were good at it. So anybody can learn computer science.
There are many jobs and careers that you can do with computer science, and computer science can lead you down many different paths and different career choices. For example, software engineering, hardware architecture, website developer, developing games, being a computer science teacher, cybersecurity, computer forensics, modeling of weather and space, as well as aerospace engineer. And this is just a small example of some of the many things that you can do with computer science. This is an example of how games have changed and developed in the last 20 or 30 years. This is how games used to look. And you can see how much technology has moved on and developed over the last 10 years, the last 5 years even. Can you imagine what games may look like in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years? They may look even more realistic than they already do. It may include things like virtual reality and augmented reality to give you a more immersive experience. You could be the next big game developer.
Okay, many of you have asked me in the corridors, at the gates, what am I going to learn in computer science? So this is a list of a few things that you're going to learn if you choose computer science in year 10 and year 11. You're going to learn how computers look inside. You're going to learn how a computer network functions. You are going to learn about system software like operating system, antivirus, etc. You're going to learn about cybersecurity, computer laws and the impact in our lives, computational thinking. You're going to learn, obviously, programming or coding. And you're also going to learn some mathematics linked to computer science, binary and logic. All these will help you not only within computer science, all this that you're going to learn in computer science lessons will help you with all the other subjects as well and in your future. I'm going to show you again the type of jobs that you can do in the future. There are a few jobs that are missing in there. For example, nowadays, if you are a scientist and you know computer science, that will be a big advantage. You can model how a virus can duplicate and multiply and expand within the world and do something about it. Okay, so this is our presentation. I would like to say thank you for listening and sparing your 2 or 3 minutes.
Yes, thanks everybody. Thanks for listening to us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. I look forward to answering any questions that you might have.
So any questions, you can contact Mr. De Las Heras or
Mr. Seabridge.
bye for now.
Bye everyone.